This video is independent training created by TripleTron and me, Marcus Miller. It is not official LeadsLeap training, and TripleTron is not owned, operated, or endorsed by LeadsLeap. Some links shared in this training may be affiliate links, which means we may earn a commission if you choose to join or upgrade through them at no extra cost to you. This training is for educational purposes only. Results are not guaranteed. Your results depend on your own effort, consistency, marketing activity, follow-up, traffic, and business decisions. Hello, I am Marcus Miller, and welcome to Day 17 of the TripleTron LeadsLeap Masterclass 30-Day Launch Sprint. Today we are going to talk about creating a simple traffic routine. In Day 16, we created your first simple ad message. We talked about using a clear structure, problem, benefit, action. Now that you have an ad message, the next step is getting that message seen consistently, because an ad message that never gets shown cannot produce clicks. A capture page that nobody visits cannot capture leads. A follow-up system with no new leads has nobody to follow up with. That is why traffic matters. But here is the important part. You do not need to turn traffic into something complicated. You need a simple routine you can repeat. A routine gives your marketing structure. It helps you avoid random activity. It helps you know what to do each day, and it helps you build momentum over time. A lot of marketers fail because they promote only when they feel motivated. One day they are excited, the next day they disappear, then they come back a week later and wonder why nothing is happening. That is not a system. That is random activity. A traffic routine helps you become more consistent, and consistency is what gives your marketing a real chance to improve. Now, a traffic routine does not mean you need to spend all day promoting. It does not mean you need to be everywhere. It does not mean you need to master every platform at once. Start simple. One traffic source, one message, one link, one daily action. That is enough to begin. Let's break that down. One traffic source means you choose one place to focus first. This could be LeadsLeap advertising tools. It could be social media. It could be YouTube Shorts. It could be a blog. It could be a traffic exchange. It could be email advertising. It could be another approved promotional method. The point is not to chase every source at once. The point is to choose one and learn how it works. When you focus on one traffic source, you can start seeing patterns. You can notice which message gets attention. You can notice which link gets clicks. You can notice whether people are joining your list. That is much harder when you are scattered everywhere. One message means you are not changing your ad every 5 minutes. Use the simple ad message you created in Day 16. Run it long enough to see what happens. You can test other messages later, but in the beginning you need consistency. One link means you send people to one main page. This should be the path you tested in Day 14. Do not send people to a different link every time. If you keep changing the link, it becomes harder to know what is working. One daily action means you decide exactly what you will do each day. For example, post one helpful message, send one approved ad, share your capture page in one traffic source, create one short video, check your LeadsLeap stats, review one ad result. The action should be realistic. If the plan is too big, you may not follow it. If the plan is simple, you are more likely to keep going. Now let's create a sample routine. Day 1, post your ad message. Day 2, check your clicks. Day 3, post again. Day 4, review whether leads are coming in. Day 5, improve the headline if needed. Day 6, keep promoting. Day 7, review the week. That is simple, but it gives you structure. Another simple routine could be every morning, log into LeadsLeap. Check your ads, tracking, or list activity. Promote your main link using one approved method. Then write down what happened. That may only take a short amount of time, but done consistently, it teaches you what is happening in your marketing. Now let's talk about what to track. You do not need to track everything in the beginning. Start with 3 numbers: clicks, leads, follow-up activity. Clicks tell you whether people are seeing and clicking your message. Leads tell you whether your capture page is doing its job. Follow-up activity helps you see whether your emails are being opened or clicked, depending on the tools available. If you are getting clicks but no leads, the capture page may need work. If you are getting no clicks, the traffic source or ad message may need work. If you are getting leads but no next step action, your follow-up may need work. Tracking helps you improve without guessing. Now, here is an important warning. Do not judge everything too quickly. If you promote one time and nothing happens, that does not mean the system is broken. Marketing needs testing. You need enough activity to learn from. One click does not tell you much. 5 clicks may not tell you much. Over time, patterns become clearer. That is why your routine matters. It gives you enough repetition to learn. Also, do not compare yourself to someone else's results. Your traffic source, your message, your consistency, your audience, and your follow-up may all be different. Focus on improving your own numbers. Your goal is to become better week by week, not perfect overnight. Now let's talk about traffic quality. Not all traffic is equal. Some traffic is curious, some traffic is targeted, some traffic is distracted, some traffic clicks but never takes action. That is why your message needs to match your audience. If you are promoting to people interested in affiliate marketing, your message should speak to affiliate marketing. If you are promoting to people who want to build a home-based business, your message should speak to that. If you are promoting to people who need traffic and follow-up, say that clearly. The better the match, the better the chance of engagement. Now let's connect this to TripleTron and LeadsLeap. Your goal is to build a repeatable path. Your traffic sees your message, they click your link, they land on your page, they join your list, they receive follow-up, they are guided through the next steps. That is the system. Traffic is the front door. Follow-up is the conversation after they enter. You need both. Sending traffic without follow-up is weak. Having follow-up without traffic is incomplete. So day 17 is about getting into motion, not with chaos, with a routine. Today's action step is simple. Create your 7-day traffic routine. Choose one traffic source, choose one ad message, choose one link, choose one daily action. Write down what you will do each day for the next 7 days. Then begin with day 1. Promote once, check your link, record what happened. Do not overthink it. Start moving. That is day 17 of the TripleTron LeadsLeap Masterclass. Today, you learned that traffic becomes easier when you turn it into a simple routine. You do not need to be everywhere. You need a focused action plan you can repeat. In the next lesson, we are going to talk about where to send your traffic, because choosing the right destination can make a big difference in how your prospects respond. Subscribe to the channel, complete today's action step, and I will see you in day 18.